Hi, I'm Tivy Jones with Hey Awesome Girl Creative Studio, and today I'm going to teach you the 5 things you can do to optimize your Instagram account to help you get more clients, customers, and gigs online. So, for the past 10 years, I've had the pleasure of managing Instagram strategies for a variety of brands, including Carolina Parent Magazine, UNC TV, Rainbow Me Kids, and more. When it comes to Instagram, there are a few things you want to keep in mind: how your content looks, and what your content says. Both things are essential to your profile being discoverable and attractive for social media audiences. So, here are the 5 things you can do to optimize your Instagram account. Number one, optimize your profile. This means having an appropriate and easy to see profile image. If you're a business, that means using your logo or an image that's representative of your company. If you're a personal brand, it's best to use a picture of yourself. You also want to optimize your bio. Use a concise, keyword rich bio and include any keywords that your target audience will be searching for. You also want to pick a category for your type of business. And of course, add a call to action to the bottom of your profile. Optimizing your profile will help your potential clients and customers find your profile attractive. The second thing you want to do is curate your profile. Consider using a consistent color scheme or filters so your images match each other. When people go to your profile, you want things to look visually appealing. That's the point of Instagram. Keep in mind too that if you're using your Instagram account for business, you shouldn't post content that you want to see. You should post what your target audience wants to see. And you want to deliver that content consistently so that your potential clients and customers, your target audience, will want to follow you so they can see more. The third thing you want to do is use hashtags to make your content discoverable. Hashtags are a way to organize content on Instagram. The point is to group content that is similar together via a hashtag. Think about hashtags that matter to your target audience and then use them in your content. Hashtags make your content discoverable on Instagram. When you use the right hashtags, your target audience, your potential customers, and clients can find your business. The fourth thing you want to do is post a variety of content. So, what should you actually post on Instagram if you want to get more clients and customers and gigs online? You want to use a content mix that does a number of things. You want it to help people understand who you are and what you do. You want it to help people want to engage with you. And you want it to actually promote your work so you can actually book clients and get customers and get gigs. I call these content categories brand, engage, and sell content. Your brand content gives people insight into who you are as a company or a brand or even as a person, what matters to you. Your engaged content appeals to your target audience. This is stuff that they like, that they want to share, that they want to save. The engagement with your content helps your results in the Instagram algorithm and helps more people become aware of your content. Your sale content drives people to take action towards working with you. You want to make sure you have a good mix of all 3 types of content. Too much of one or another type and your Instagram strategy won't be effective. The fifth thing you want to do is check your analytics. Make sure you upgrade your Instagram account to be a business or creator account. That way you can have access to analytics to help you understand lots of things about your Instagram strategy and helps you see what is effective. With analytics, you can see things like how many interactions your content gets, what your audience looks like, how discoverable your content is, and what of your content is most popular. Analyzing your analytics can help you understand what to post more of and what to stop posting so you can get more results from your Instagram account for your business. And those are the 5 things you can do to optimize your Instagram account to get more clients, more customers, and more gigs. Again, those 5 things are optimizing your profile, curating your profile images, using hashtags to make your content more discoverable, posting a variety of content types, remember the brand, sell, engage content strategy, and checking your analytics and repeating what works. I hope you enjoyed this. For more online marketing tips and information about my creative studio, visit heyawesomegirl.com.